Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create farm account in Viking Rise. If you're running low on resources in Viking Rise, a farm account can be a huge help. It's a secondary account you control that supports your main one, whether by gathering resources, joining the same clan, or helping in events. To set one up, tap your profile in the top left, go into settings, and open a character management. Here you can create a new character. Remember, each kingdom usually allows two characters per account. When making your farm account, pick the same kingdom or server as your main account, like KO611, so both accounts can interact. Once it's created, you can use it to strengthen your main account's progress. If you want more farm accounts, just register additional accounts with different emails. Managing multiple accounts takes a little organization, but it's one of the best ways to stay ahead without spending extra resources. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.